Alright guys, C-Serpents exotic snakes. This is Sunday morning, September 8th, 2024. And this is actually where Seaside Resort used to be at here on East Gulf Drive in Sanibel. So this is an empty lot as well. The building got decimated, so they tore what was left down. And of course over here is the Surfrider property that I've made a couple videos on. And actually there's a demolition company on YouTube that actually got the bid to tear Surfrider down. And I'll put that in the comments or a link or something later. I discovered them yesterday, but like I say, we're getting ready to leave Sunday morning. We're getting ready to leave to head back home. But I want to go ahead and try to film a little more from this side of the property. Because you had your short building here, and then the long building went that way behind all the, where the pool is in the middle, but the short building got pushed out onto the street from the storm surge. It had broke away from the foundation that day. So, but like I said, I just want to kind of take a walk this way and see. Yeah, okay, we'll get by a little closer, but you can kind of make out where the pool area is again. And this is heading towards where the private house used to be. But yeah, here you can see it better now from this angle. And this here is a tennis court, or used to be a tennis court. So like I said, you can see the handles for the pool pump area and all that, right, you know, because they had a little spa in there too as well. But like I said, Seaside Inn was here, and we stayed here a couple times as well. So, but yeah, you can kind of make out the pool a little better from this angle. These palms have survived still. A few of them got knocked down, but for the most part. And of course, I was over there filming from the beach side yesterday when I did that video. All right, so let's just walk back a little further. And you can see they got the barrier stuff here. See some of these small pines trying to grow back now. Tree that went down. You see all these tall pines. These pines actually ran this whole side of the property. So a lot of these got knocked down in the storm as well. So yeah, here we go. Okay. Yeah, the foundation, or the skeleton of the small house here is still here. Okay. So this was called Summer of 42. So now I don't know if these people are planning on rebuilding or not. It's going to be 2 years. in another 2 weeks, like I said. So I don't know if they're going to rebuild or not, but this was just a nice little beach house here. They were here in the winter months. It was all closed up during the summer months, like right now. This time of year, it would all be closed up. So for now, this is what's left. Some tile. Actually, I'm surprised this stuff's still laying here. Yeah. Coffee mug. Wow. Okay. Keep in mind, I mean, this is the first time my wife and I have been back to Sanibel since the storm hit. We were here, the storm hit September 28th of 22. We were here May of 22. We were here for a couple of days. We made a long weekend out of it back then. So like I said, it's the first time coming back since the storm hit. So again, it's all, they had a pathway leading out to the water. And again, like I say, you can see how overgrown it's gotten in 2 years. So, but like I said, as far as Surfrider goes, supposedly the plans are that they are going to rebuild. But I'm sure due to insurance and legal red tape and whatever else is why nothing's been done yet. Actually, here's one of their steps. See, they had a pathway that ran up to their house here. Yeah, and the pathway ran back. Of course, the sea grapes have overtaken, but they had a pathway out to the beach, just like the other pathway on the other side that I videoed yesterday. But so this is a sand dollar step. This is pretty cool, and it's amazing it's still here. So it was just a small house, but it was, you know, it was a cute little place here. We never saw the people, like I say. They were here during the winter months. We always come during the summer. So we never saw the people, but again, that John Petramala I was talking about, like I said, he's got video of this, where they came in off the beach and they came right through this structure and then made their way out and then showed Surfrider and all that. So anyways, yeah, I'm surprised that this is all still here as well. So, all right, well, let's go ahead and take a walk back. And this was actually a 2-story. I mean, there was a second level. So this is just the remaining, you know, the remaining structure of it. Yeah, here's the vanity sink and all that. All right, so we'll head our way back here. So again, I mean, it's just sad to see all this. You know, it's a slow recovery. You know, some places are being rebuilt. There's a place on Middle Gulf Drive, Shalimar, that is being rebuilt now. They've got the block up and all that. So they're getting those buildings going there. But then there's another place, Waterside, that we've stayed at in the past. That's still a vacant lot, pretty much like this. So anyway, so this is the, like I say, this is the area where Surfrider was. And right now, there's no idea of when they're going to break ground again and rebuild it. But either way, everything's going to have to be elevated. All the structures have to be elevated up now to code, you know. so that if a storm ever comes back again like this, it's at least going to, the water will have somewhere to run underneath, and hopefully the actual structures will stay put and not get washed away again. So, all right, well, we'll go ahead and end this video here. So like I say, I just wanted to do one more shot of this before we left. Get the focus, there we go. It's just a shame the pool area is so overgrown, but it's back there. All right, guys, so for now, we'll wrap this video up here. All right, guys, for now, take care.